Hey everyone, this is Micah from Cali Raised LED. Today I'm going to show you how to install our 3rd gen Toyota Tundra side bed Molle panels. In this kit, you're going to receive 2 Molle panels. You're going to receive 6 T-nuts, 6 3/8" bolts, 2 1/4" bolts, 2 1/4" nuts, 4 1/4" washers, 6 3/8" washers, and 2 rubber bumpers with hardware. You're gonna need a 9mm socket head, a 4mm Allen head, 7/32 Allen head, and a T40 Torx head. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first step for installing these is we need to join these 2 panels together. So we're gonna be using our 1/4" hardware. So you're gonna take your bolt, put a washer on it. Doesn't matter which side you come from, either way it'll work. And we'll get that first one over there. Put our second washer on, get our lock nut started. I'm just gonna get that as tight as I can by hand. Gonna get the second one on. Getting the washer, another washer on this side, and then our lock nut. I did get to mention earlier, these 1/4" nuts actually do use a 11mm socket. So I'm gonna use that. We can start getting these tightened up. Gonna check that I'm straight and this line is nice and flat here before cinching it up all the way. That looks pretty good. All right, now that we've got both those tightened up, it's time to add our rubber bumpers. So these are gonna go to the inside of the flange. So I'm gonna take my nut off real quick. So we're gonna insert it from this side. It's got a nut, or sorry, a bolt in there that goes down into it. Feed that through the hole and flip these up. Go ahead and get the washer. This one you'll need your 4mm Allen and your 9mm socket head. Switch this out real quick. These don't need to be particularly tight. You'll notice when the rubber kind of starts bulging, that's when you can stop tightening that down, and that's tight enough. Again, I'm gonna make sure that I'm installing it on this flange side. I'm gonna look for this small hole here. Okay, see it starting to bulge. All right, now that we've got these assembled, it's time to go to the truck. All right, so as you can see, I'm here with the panels in the truck. The tall one goes towards the front of the truck, and the shorter one goes back here. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take off these guys, these tie down areas, and then we're gonna take our T-nuts, we're gonna slide them into the rails. We're gonna get some of our 3/8" hardware in, and then we're gonna finish up by bolting these back in. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna keep these top bolts pretty loose for now. I'm gonna get these ones locked in since we got some positioning to do, and then we can come back and tighten those back up. All right, now that we've got all our bolts tightened up, that concludes our installation of the 3rd gen Toyota Tundra side bed Molle panels. As you can see, I only did the driver's side here, but it's the exact same installation for both the driver's side and the passenger side. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please visit www.caliraisedled.com and order yours today.